G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen. Welcome to this Scoob School on the Road edition. We are down at the dessert mecca of the Southern Hemisphere, I'm going to say. It is Eat Street in Brisbane. It's a fabulous container store of wonderland when it comes to food, good Aussie food, ethnic food. There's dog stuff, there's arcades here. We just had some pork belly, whatever it was down here. Food is absolutely crazy here. Great atmosphere. It's $5 to get in, but once you're in here, there's music playing, bands playing, street performers. It really is quite the experience. Now, down in a portion of each street is a little alley called Combi Alley, and that's Dessert Central, where we're going to taste all of these wild and wacky desserts on this episode of the Scoob School field trip. Ice cream lovers, here we are, Combi Alley. It's a whole bunch of VW combis, all cut away, all selling incredibly unique desserts. We've got cronuts, funnel cakes, the whole box and dice. So we're actually going to make our way around Combi Alley and buy every single dessert creation that's here. Come on. Okay, ice cream lovers, this is our first cab off the rank. This is a cup full of donut fries smothered in chocolate soft serve, some Ferrero Rochers, and some of these little tubey things on it. They call it a no-shero rather than a Ferrero. I don't even know how to eat it, but the blend of warm, crunchy, and soft ice cream is absolutely incredible. Okay, ice cream lovers, this is a funnel cake topped with chocolate soft serve, and you've got your Freddo Frog on this side, and you've got your Caramello Koala on this side. Again, fresh cooked, fresh baked, ice cream on the top, Australian icons of candy. You can't go wrong. Okay, so with all of these wild and wacky desserts, I couldn't just help but feel sorry for the regular gelato people. So I just asked for a gelato sandwich. Well, this is what I got. I got 3 scoops of gelato smothered in chocolate and caramel sitting on top of a donut. I guess you would call this more of an open-faced sandwich, if you will. But again, hop, skip, and a jump down here in Combi Alley, and there's bound to be more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ice cream lovers, the end of the cul-de-sac in Combi Alley is the conut stand. Is it a cone? Is it a donut? It's both. I've actually taken a donut and made it into a cone. Fill it with soft serve, pack it with lollies. It's going to be the last up here at Combi Alley. Let's head on down there. Steve, you are a true craftsman. Ladies and gentlemen, the piece de resistance. A cone made out of donut, chocolate soft serve, a nice little wafer. This is the ultimate chocolate chip biscuit in Australia, the Tim Tam. Well, ice cream lovers, we've come to the end of our Eat Street adventure. And let me tell you, out of all the things that we've had, and I can see these monstrous fairy floss things going past, but the conut is the ultimate. I'm telling you right now, I think I've died and gone to ice cream heaven. That's all we have for this episode. Thanks for joining us. The link for Eat Street is down below. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.